AquaBliss High Output Revitalizing Shower Filter reduces dry itchy skin, dandruff, eczema, and dramatically improves the condition of your skin, hair, and nails. Chrome SF100. Day 1 immediately begins rejuvenating skin, hair and nails. Hard, chlorinated, chemical-ridden water causing itchy skin, flaky dandruff, eczema, bone-dry hair and brittle nails. Let our unique, proprietary systems multi-stage sediment filters, redox media, calcium sulfite, activated carbon and ceramic balls deliver maximum water filtration to neutralize odors, balance out your pH levels, and infuse beneficial minerals into your skin, nails and hair from the first time you turn it on. Actually works. Experience the cleanest clean. Most filters for showers eliminate some chemicals for a short time, but do nothing to restore the damage done to your hair, nails and skin. Our advanced multi-stage health filter reduces chlorine, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, dirt, odors, helps control scale buildup plus restores what your hard, chemical-filled water did to your hair, skin and nails. Just 0.09 cents a day. What is your health worth? What about looking your best? If you're a savvy shopper, you've done your research, so you know that most shower filter cartridge options for well or city water only last a few months, then cost a pretty penny to replace. AquaBliss Easy Swap shower head filter replacements last longer, cost less, for cleaner, clearer, beautifying shower time for less than 0.09 cents per day. It fits. Easiest no tool install. If you can snap together Legos, you can easily remove your old shower filter or chlorine filter and replace it with this in minutes. Because we believe life should be easy, we engineered the fitting so it works with all shower types, including fixed, rain and handheld. No tools required. Advanced Revitalizing SF100 vs Heavy Duty SF220. Customers love both of our AquaBliss. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.